great faith.
This has been a test of the emergency alert system.
Whether you own a
that talks about things about elections are set to state legislatures.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 400, effective until 5 p.m. This watch includes the following counties: in Arkansas, Conway, Faulkner, Garland, Grant, Hot Springs, Jefferson, Lone Oak, Perry, Pope, P, O, P, E, Prairie, Pulaski, Saline, and Yell. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Logan County in western Arkansas, northern Scott County in western Arkansas, western Yell County in central Arkansas. Until 1 p.m. At 12:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fort Chaffee, or near Charleston, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boonville, Waldron, Paris, Danville, Mansfield, Magazine, Subiaco, Radcliffe, Blue Mountain, Cardiff, Midway in Logan County, Stonehouse Recreation Area, Mount Nebo State Park, Cravelly, Fouche Valley, Mount Magazine, Oliver, Echo, Lake Dardanelle, Belleville.
With the balance of $673.94 in tickets and the school as early my life was over back with the help of my family. I was able to
The National Weather Service in Little Rock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Perry County in central Arkansas, Garland County in central Arkansas, northwestern Saline County in central Arkansas, Yell County in central Arkansas, northeastern Montgomery County in western Arkansas. Until 1:45 p.m. At 12:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Danville, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hot Springs Village, Danville, Perryville, Ola, Mountain Pine, Adona, Jessieville, Petit Jean River Wildlife Management Area, Lake Washita State Park, Mosley, Williams Junction, Muddy Creek Wildlife Management Area, Cravelly, Fouche Valley, Plainview in Yell County, Hot Springs National Park, Belleville, Havana, Avant.
I love to eat healthy.
And so, what time?
desired. SAFE radios are especially useful for schools, hospitals, businesses, government agencies, radio and television stations. This has been a test. At the end of this test, regular programming will resume.